Hi, good evening. My name is Komal, and we are gathered here for GD. The topic is Do boys and girls have equal freedom in Indian society? And from my opinion, is that all boys and girls are equal. In recent centuries, we can say they are equal in many fields like educational, professional. Uh, uh, can say that everything is equal when it comes to the when we says about freedom, they are all equal from my side. I and I'm request everyone to share their opinions, what they feel for it or they think. So anyone?
I think that girls not have that opportunities like the boys because the most reliable reason of that it is the societal expectations, that is society expects from girls that they are work in the house or house in the work in the house, and boys get the job and provide the fund to household things. It is not compulsory that girls only work in the house. In the future, I should girls have proved that girls are better than the boys.
My thing is both are same opportunities in our societies. The freedom for education, sport, for business, and everything is freedom for the both sides, for boys and girls. There are in this situation is a girl is a main situation for many opportunities to freedom for their success and many things is.
Okay, nowadays, a girl who belongs to a small village, she is also educating and getting enough educations. But some villages, their parents not allow them because of some financial issues, or some we can say old
Thinking
old
process.
thinking, yes, right. So they only think that only girls just doing the marriage and just handle or manage the houses, that's it. But that's why government having lots of scheme for girls, because of that also they can easily doing any kind of graduations or education. I think it's free for the scheme are launched that are free for every girls. So that's a good thing.
So my opinion in that case, girls are faces lots of problems like she's clothes styles and education, harassments and other problems. In that in girls my opinion, boys are unequal means unequal freedom. Boys and girls, boys are many
Getting more freedom than opportunities.
than as compared to girls, boys more than freedom in our society.
So I don't think so. She said about the clothes. The At this time, no one can no anyone's parent no said that. Don't say that. You don't want to wear that if you are living in the metro cities. Actually, I saw that's why. So I don't think so. They have freedom for their choice what they want to wear. Then
Not
yes.
everybody, but some family or parents, they are not allowed to wear short clothes or short clothes. or bold styling. But some educated people are allowed because their mentality and the old school mentality are not equal. That's why. And boy and parents expect from daughters to wear full clothes, or not only parents but also all our society. But my question is for that those people, they would like they want to wear daughters, they want to wear girls girls wearing full clothes. Then why boys are not wear dhotis and kurtas in mall?
That's a good. Actually, awkward most of the time.
Answer it. Answer it.
It's awkward actually because
Okay.
we don't have a habitant of that. Every time we wear the trousers and shirts that one. That's
But if girl wear shorts on the
no. We don't say to anyone that you just wear sari. It's not our culture most as we talk about this because it's a Western culture. Also.
yeah, but society think about that they
See,
only
the
girls.
Western mentality about the girls and the Indian mentality about the girls are very different.
Yeah,
Okay, they are very familiar with that clothes.
yeah.
That's why, and no, our parents also not see that type of views at that time.
But now it's a new generation.
No, it's okay. If you are
It depends on their mentality.
Yes,
Those, that's
and yes, she talk about the harassment. So I think we have a very strict law about that.
No, but you say
but
that
they
the
don't
girls,
get action.
girls in metro cities they wear the shorts or that, but you ask them that her father or her mother say what clothes you wear in the house. So she also tell that I wear the kurtis or like that.
And you go for village side, they means you go village side and girls father parents are say these girls you should not wear the short clothes, but you tells metro city na, so you tells about village, you go na you go village and you tell about that this means village side. What can say that girls societies tells about short clothes and this is education, because they told her girls he means you don't go from house, you sit and manage your house. So village life is very easy, but metro cities life is very easy, but village side his life not easy. So tell about.
No, I'm not agree with you. Actually, village side means village side. Sorry. Then restriction. You means ki village people says a restriction for girls. No, I'm not agree with you. Sorry.
Okay, so are you belong from village side?
No.
But why must wear clothes in short, girl? Why? It compulsory wear
But all
short
about
clothes.
this educated person, village side,
They are allowed to wear.
educated person.
But their father means that the girl's father said that you wear the short clothes, but it is her mentality that what society can expect from ourselves. So she not wear that clothes.
It's depend on the location where you
Yes.
live, right? If you are in village, you walk in this skirt. That's not, I think, good. So if you are in metro city, that's normal for everyone. If you walk in the villages,
side,
that's not a good.
yes.
Or we can say it's very awkward for not for you, means not for the girls, for the other villagers. That's why I think we have to first see the location where we stay
But
Then
not
they-
only location matter, mentality also matter. Because the educated people are, they don't. I don't remember.
Okay, so you said that educated people doesn't matter what they
No, not matlab,
clothes.
I mean, not.
See, they
Say that.
village in who lives in the villages, they are not habitant of that.
Yeah.
That's why we
I
have to
understand.
manage all the things because we change our style. They didn't.
Because-
That's why.
So, what you guys feel like it is freedom or not?
I think no, actually it's a freedom, but I think all the girls are misuse their freedom. Some kind of some in something.
Some girls are
Some girls. I don't say any individual.
misuse their freedom, like they use it like it's
You have
like,
freedom for the educations, for the jobs, for the opportunities.
Yes.
If you have to do businesses and also you are
Yes.
okay, you have freedom. But you go to the clothes. Everyone targeted to clothes. I have
Yeah.
freedom to wear the clothes.
See, you says you have freedom in this areas. You parted these things. You parted that girls have freedom, but in this
No,
areas.
I said every.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me. I'm not cut you, but yes, listen to me first. That you says yes. We have the freedom in this areas. Yes. Profession, okay. Personal life, okay. But what she thinks, this is also matters. The mentality also, like she is good, but you decided her inner beauty
Yes.
with her clothes. That's what I mean. So this from my side, that's why I said in current centuries, we have freedom, but like it's only 25%, not 75%. We don't have any kind of freedom. That's my point.
Why must girls clothes wear short wear? You know, why must clothes wear girls short
It can't be
short?
must. What if she want? She can wear it. We don't. We are not. We are nobody to judge her. That's my point. It's from my side. I just say it can't be must.
His own choice.
My thinking was good looking for sari and dress.
Like
But
culture,
not,
Nice,
Indian
but
yeah.
culture.
not judge a cloth.
But Indian culture is also that. So boys are wearing dhotis, kurtis. So you
also wear.
yes.
but cannot shorts boys in wear.
But this is thing mentality na.
Shorts. Only I think only ladies wear shorts designs
It's design.
and have a
So we
pant.
have that variety to wear.
That's okay. We don't have that variety.
So you don't have that variety, but you have
Means
it.
was only
Like you have
jeans,
dhotis,
t-shirt,
you have
kurtas,
pajamas.
and coat. That's all.
No, see, I'm not against anyone, but I just want to say everyone who wears the modern Western culture dresses or the short dresses, just think about where you have.
Yes.
If you are at home, I think it's not that good in the front of your father. So.
But
Mother, that's-
of
Her
course.
father agree with that, so she can wear.
It's okay now then. If father is agreeing, then it's okay. If you're, before that I give example of a village. If you go, you just wear a Western dresses like short dresses and go to village, it's not good.
No, but villages are improving. No?
Yes, villages.
So they also-
Every village is not improving.
Not every.
Not every, but some.
If the village is improved, then you just wear and go there. There is no matter.
So mobile are gathered in all the villages, so they can see all the pictures of girls
See, look.
and
Look,
they
just see in the mobile. and you just seen the life. That's very different things.
But they also change their mentality.
But
How many
not
people,
because they are not
how many
educated.
people mentality change
They
their
not change
mentality?
their mentality because they are not that type of educated.
So I think that my type girls are that in the villages, then she can use their own opinions for the clothes only.
That's okay. No one can. You can say no one can stop you about that. You want to, then it's okay. It's my opinion that if you are go to that kind of places, you have to just maintain your not maintain. Restrict yourself for the
So-
clothes.
Got it. Like you says that wherever you wanted to do, but do whatever you wanted to do, but just like what situation is kind of
The place.
you have a
If you go to temple and
you
wear this
think
skirt,
about
that's not
the
good.
situation what
So,
comes in your
yes.
yes.
That's why I'm telling you. It's a freedom. No one can say anyone anything. It's your choice. It's your money and it's your clothes, and you have to wear.
So apart from that, what is your opinion about their education, girls or boys, who have the most opportunities?
Both are most opportunities. In my field, most of
Same,
and
same opportunities.
50% I think direction equal.
yes,
All
every
countries.
It is only
Every
legally,
country is
na?
same for
It is only
boys
for
and
the
girls.
document,
Yeah.
but not for the
Give me the example.
satisfied. So I'm pursuing in instrumentation engineering. So sir, that name, what is the name of that sir?
Instrumental engineering.
No, in this institute, the
Sumit sir.
Huh. So he said that the instrumentation engineering only take by the boys mostly. And
What is instrumentation
I say the
engineering?
first or second girl who take instrumentation.
Mechanical also in the Wipro, who is Wipro's owner? What's the name of her? I don't remember the name. She's also mechanical engineer, na? She also got a job in the telco. She also doing the job. She's the first woman.
But it is not the mentality of our level. No? It is you go to the ISRO or NASA. There are the most girls are in the instrumentation, IT.
Look, she lives. I think she lives in Pune. I think, and she done their education there. So telco is in Pune.
So it is improve company, na? In you tell me that in our Amravati or a village site. So it is some people know about the instrumentation.
Everyone
or the
wants to go
mechanic-
to another metro city to get a job. There is no job. We don't have a job here.
So only student know na that.
Then,
That is that field is for the girls or that field for boys.
okay, it's as sir said, all everyone's perspective is different.
Yes. So you ask some examples for partiality, boys and girls. So I give example for ITIA college. You go to ITIA college.
A government idea.
Yes. You go there. There are almost boys are
Not
there.
almost.
Almost
Ah.
some are girls. Most are boys.
Okay.
So this is example for partiality. And
In 2017, I joined the IT. I am doing IT also. So in electronics, as compared to boys, girls are more. Around 50 girls and only 20, no, not 20, 30 boys. In one shift, actually there are two shifts something. Two times, no, 7 to something, 2 and then 10 to 5, I think.
I
but
was
my cousin sister education, my cousin sister is
Hmm.
there. So he tell us there are almost boys,
Okay.
not girls.
My sister also done the civil engineering. There are also most of the.
Civil,
No, I give you the example. Civil also that kind of mentality that only boys can do the civil engineering
But
jobs.
they are different now. ITI is
No, but opportunity, we
But
talk
two
about
examples
opportunities.
are
No?
same.
Same because civil engineering also everyone think that civil engineering is only for the boys
Boys, yeah.
because they can handle or doing everything.
But you means see institute level, so they can tell you that the girls why girls are higher than the boys because if the marks of that girl is greater than the boys, then girls have most means girls are greater than the boys, na, in that simple institute or that department. So it is depend on the marks, not on the girls or boys.
Yes.
So it is also correct.
look, which kind of job you get in your field?
In the ISRO or NASA, that is make the instruments and manage
Which
that
kind
and
of
calibration.
instrument? Which kind?
All the instruments that are dependent on the AI or calibration base.
Then what do you think? There is a job for you?
No, because some boys have interest in that, and
You
in
don't have
my-
interest?
No,
Then why you get the admission?
my father said that.
That's
Yes.
not my fault.
No, so I tell that in my department, only one girl and 2 or 3 boys are interested in that field.
Okay.
So other are on the marks based admission in that college
Okay.
or for the department. So this is a not discrimination side, but in the education, it is only for the marks for that college.
Everywhere same thing happens.
So we can't depend on that education
See,
type.
you
of the
said
girls
that
or
you have a job in ISRO and NASA, right?
boys.
So what do you think ISRO? There is no woman there to do the jobs and all in the ISRO.
Most women are working that.
You can also get a job if you are eligible for that there. So you have to first eligible for this.
So for
Everyone have opportunities, but how you can improve yourself, that's all depend upon this.
But we cannot depend on that education. That is, education is the criteria for girl or boys discrimination. It is only on that mentality of that how or which marks he get in that previous exam. It is not depend on the girls or boys. No? This education is the different part from the girls or boys discrimination. It is not included in that.
So I don't know.
Okay. So, what we can say that, like, boys and girls are equal in every situation, but professionally, because I am also from co-ed colleges and schools, so I can see that boys and girls are equally sitting in a one class, and they are get education.
This is not point for the discrimination. After that we tell about the clothes. So it is the discrimination point for the girls and boys. Girls wear that clothes, boys wear that clothes, but not for education. Education is the only one topic that we not discriminate the girls and boys.
Who discriminated?
Right.
No one discriminated.
No, that I speak or sir spoke that in the education basis, most are discrimination on the girls and boys.
Like which type of discrimination?
That is, girls have that type of only. Suppose you said that mechanical or civil, so boys are only doing that civil or mechanical. So that type of, but it is not.
It is not right.
So I tell that it is not the discrimination point.
Yes, it's not discrimination. Look, civil have lots of jobs, right? Most of the engineers are doing the site engineer jobs and all. Girls have lots of opportunities. They have VIM course, they have AutoCAD, they have all the software they can done. Then they got a job.
Not no, it is not the discrimination point. You tell that clothes and all the point that is the topic that on the first on the clothes and societal expectations are the main point of girls and boys discrimination.
Look, social expectations are start from here. It's very old.
1500.
It's an old thing. Every parents have a wish to marry. What is it?
Girls getting married
Yes.
early.
Yes. That's the thing also. If you are capable and you're doing very good in your life, then they don't say anything to you. If you say I don't want to get married now, they can say okay. If you are good in every time, means in financially first, then they can't say you anything.
So it is based on that girl, what she thinking.
Yes.
Yes. So it's like professionally or educationally we are equal. But when it comes to job, what you guys think? girls getting job as compared to boys?
It is also not
More
a point
job.
of discrimination.
Yes, it is.
No.
I have example.
Give.
So, I have a friend. Her father says that first of all you have only got only government job. You have to do only government job. That then only you are able to or you are permitted to do the job.
Okay.
Yes, and that's why she is she is what we can say.
Look, she has a freedom to do anything.
Yes,
Right.
she
The-
thinks it. No. She
Okay.
thinks it,
Mm.
but she thinks I have ability to do the job. But her father can say, firstly, get the government job. Only when you get government job, then you are able to do the job.
It's
Otherwise, not.
But if her father say that means if he got the private job and he get
No. No.
This
No,
is their
she is not-
perspective.
Yes.
his father's
So we
perspective.
are not responsible
They are
for that.
They are they are part of the society, and we are talking about society.
But their parents' perspective, we don't discuss about that.
I am not discussing. I am just giving example.
Yeah, but-
yes, and as you say that we are not explaining them. That is their perspective. But we are here to talk about the
Equality of boys.
equality of boys and girls in the society. But this is also says that girls don't have any right to do the job. Yes, because it is valid from my side.
no, but she can explain her father to all the about the government or a
Most of the
private
time the
job. Then
girl's
father
father
also
not-
Girls' fathers not
convinced by
convince their
most of the time.
yes. We are backward at that point. Only girls are backward at
so
that.
their communication are important.
Yes.
That's why.
Yes. So I can say this. We are here to talk about the equality. It is also the part of equality. It is part of society.
Some points have the discrimination.
All
and
fathers are not same.
Yes.
All fathers are not same. All fathers are not like our fathers.
So what about you?
My opinion is the girls are both are equal freedom because anyone can say boys are this class where and education level, job opportunities, and both girls. This generation girls are
Because
Both
here, I
opportunities.
think here also most of the girls. There are only 3 girls.
Yeah.
So it's proof.
my opinion is both are same freedom.
So what do you think, anyone? What do you think there is no, not equally judge, which kind of thing that girls are not equally judged by boys? Boys and girls are not equally judged by which kind of things? Right? Where the girls are boys not equally what is it?
Culture.
No. The girl and the boys are not equally judged here. Which kind of thing? First is the marriage. I think.
My side, this is education is okay, we are equal, but when it comes to prove yourself, we are legging ourselves backward. Yes, from my side, this is.
Okay. Second is marriage also, because if a boy says I don't want to marry right now because I want to settle,
Yes,
but not about the girls.
not about the girls.
Because
Even
why,
if she
why,
wanted to get settled,
why you want to
she's not.
settle? He is settled, then it's okay.
We want to settle.
No.
We also want to settle.
No, everyone wants to. I think everyone who is there, everyone want to settle.
Yes.
I know.
this point also discriminating the like inequality between boys and girls. This point is also
But it is changed nowadays.
not fully, 50%.
It's on process actually.
Yes. So
I think,
India is developing, so our culture is also developing, our society is also developing, but it is not developed.
I think when our generation is started, then it will be
They get developed.
nice more.
Time is over.
So
14.
from all the things that we are discussed here, it's concluded that boys and girls are equal. They are getting equally settled, and everything they can be doing is equal nowadays. It is in process. Okay.